6 exercises to help manage peripheral neuropathy. Welcome to today's video, where I'll be showing you 6 simple exercises to help you manage the symptoms of peripheral neuropathy. I'm glad you're here, so let's get started. Peripheral neuropathy is a condition that can cause a range of symptoms, such as numbness, tingling, burning, stabbing or shooting pain in the feet and hands. It can lead to balance problems, weakness, and in severe cases, complications in the feet. This condition is commonly linked to diabetes, which is the most common cause of peripheral neuropathy due to high blood sugar levels associated with nerve damage. If diagnosed, treating the underlying cause is advised, but some may be given neuropathic pain medications to help with the symptoms. Welcome to Healthy Habits, your go-to destination for all things health and wellness. We're here to provide you with valuable tips, tricks, and insights to help you lead a happier, healthier life. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family to help us spread the word. Thanks for tuning in. Please note this video is for educational purposes only. If you have any medical concerns, please do speak to your doctor. The main types of peripheral neuropathy include sensory neuropathy, motor neuropathy, autonomic neuropathy, and mononeuropathy. In most cases, someone with peripheral neuropathy may have more than one of these types at the same time, and in some cases, where the cause cannot be determined, it is considered idiopathic neuropathy. It's crucial to remain relaxed and lower stress levels, as increased stress levels can increase the symptoms of pain. Doing any breathing or meditation exercises will be an excellent place to start. Multiple studies have confirmed that regular exercise can prevent and, in some cases, delay the onset of neuropathic symptoms. Exercise can also help regulate blood sugar levels and provide stress relief. Therefore, conducting gentle aerobic exercise such as walking, swimming, cycling, or taking part in a gentle exercise class is essential to help you manage your symptoms. Here are 6 exercises that you can do every day for 5 to 10 minutes to help you manage the symptoms of peripheral neuropathy. Exercise 1, Seated Toe Raise. With your feet flat on the floor, try to gently lift up your toes while the balls of the feet maintain contact with the floor throughout the movement. Hold for a couple of seconds and then slowly lower them back down to the floor. Do this movement 5 times while staying relaxed in the rest of the body. Exercise 2, Heel Raises. Starting in the same position as the first exercise, lift both heels up away from the floor as high as you can. Hold for a couple of seconds and then lower back down so you can begin to increase the movement in the toes and ankles. Do this movement 5 times. Exercise 3, Ankle Fist Pumps. Staying seated, extend one leg and arm straight out in front of you and move your ankle from dorsiflexion or pulling the forefoot back to plantar flexion or pointing the forefoot forward. While doing this, make a clenched fist as you extend your foot forwards and spread the fingers wide when your foot is pulled back. Do this 5 times with the left foot and left hand, and then switch to repeat it on the other side. Doing both the hand and foot exercise at the same time will increase the sensory feedback to the brain. Exercise 4, Toe Splay. With your feet flat on the floor, spread your toes apart as far as you can, then relax them. Do this movement 5 times. Exercise 5, Alphabet Feet. While seated, lift one foot and write the alphabet in the air with your toes. Do this 5 times with each foot. Exercise 6, Resistance Band Exercise. Sitting down, loop a resistance band around the ball of your foot and pull it towards you, resisting the band with your foot. Hold for a few seconds and then relax. Do this 5 times with each foot. Performing regular strength exercises such as sit-to-stands can help maintain functional leg strength, and it's also essential to maintain good feet health too. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family to help us grow our community. And if you're looking for more great content, be sure to click the videos on the screen to watch some amazing videos from our channel. Thanks again for your support, and we'll see you in the next one.